From a black base coat, pick out the majority of all the coils with Screamer Pink, so the centre and the surround of the barrels and the power pack at the back of the gun, making sure the black is left only really in the recesses between these coils and in the recesses on the gun barrel. For the first highlight colour, paint the majority of the areas with Pink Horror. So with the globes in the centre of the barrels, cover most of these areas. Pick out the majority of the coil as well, leaving the very tops and bottoms with the Screamer Pink, and on the surrounds of the barrels do a thick edge highlight, just making sure not to completely obscure the underlying colour. The second highlight colour, Emperor's Children, just refine a little bit, making the areas smaller again, so on the globes more central on the areas, the power pack picking a stripe that's kind of down the middle of the coils, and on the surrounding of the guns just pick out a sharp edge highlight, but making sure it's a complete edge highlight still. Final highlights are just dot highlights, and this is completed using Fulgrim Pink. So on the power pack here, you're really just picking out a line of dots down the very centre of the coil. On the globes and on the surrounds of the gun barrel, just picking out small dots just to emphasise the sharpest edges and the centre of the globes. And this is the finished result. If you like this video, feel free to check out the channel where I have numerous other painting tutorials available.